In this video, we will compare Brex and Ramp. If you guys want to get started with either Brex or Ramp, you can use the links given down in the description. Brex and Ramp are both financial platforms offering corporate cards and spend management solutions. Brex is a financial technology company offering a suite of services tailored for startups and tech-forward businesses. Brex does not require personal guarantee or credit check, assessing eligibility based on business financials and funding. Additionally, the absence of ATM access could be a drawback for some companies. Ramp is a financial technology company offering a corporate charge card combined with comprehensive expense management tools. Ramp charges no annual fees, foreign transaction fees, or interest, making it a cost-effective solution for businesses. Currently, Ramp does not offer an Android app, which may be a limitation for some users. In my opinion, Brex is better for startup needing rewards and banking, while Ramp excels in cost savings and spend management. So that's comparison between Brex and Ramp. Make sure to use the links given down in the descriptions to get started with either Brex or Ramp. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.